In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your password in Trust Wallet. So recovering a password in Trust Wallet depends on whether you have access to your 12-word seed phrase, also known as the recovery phrase, and whether you're using the standard Trust Wallet or the Swift version with passkeys. So if you have your seed phrase, you're in good luck because you actually are able to go ahead and recover your account using that seed phrase. So if you've forgotten your password, then what you would need to do is you would need to uninstall the Trust Wallet application from your mobile device or browser extension. For this video, we're just working with the app, and then you would reinstall the latest version from the official Trust Wallet website, or of course on the App Store, whether you're on an iOS or on a Android device. If you're on an Android device, you're going to use the Google Play Store, and then afterwards you will actually be able to add an existing wallet, and then you're able to enter in your 12-word seed phrase in the exact order provided when you created the wallet, and then afterwards it is then going to give you the option to set a brand new password for the wallet. So again, it all depends on the seed phrase. If you have the seed phrase, then you actually are able to go ahead and reset the password. But if you guys don't have the seed phrase, then please really try to find it, because unfortunately this is one of those situations where the customer support won't be able to help you, because whenever you created your wallet, you were completely responsible for knowing your seed phrase and having it down in a safe location. However, you guys could check for local seed phrases. So if you still have access to the application, you could try to receive your seed phrase. If you have access to your account, you could actually go ahead and check your seed phrase by pressing on the top right over here, then go ahead and select on wallet. Then it is going to say secret seed phrase backups, and then you guys can go ahead and take a look at that if you did back it over on Google Drive. So me personally, I did back up my seed phrase on Google Drive, so I can go ahead and use that and then use the seed phrase in order to actually reset the password. So unfortunately, if you never backed up your seed phrase and you can't access the application anymore, recovery is currently impossible. So I know it's a little bit unfortunate, guys, but I just want to give it to you straight and be as honest as possible. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.